Microphone testing 1, 2, 3. Can you hear me?
So how did I improve the video sound quality? Stay tuned to see what I used to improve the video sound quality right after this. Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in ProTecStation. It's great to see you all. Today I got a hold of these lavalier microphones made by this company called Powerdewise. As of the date of recording, they are the best-selling lavalier microphones from Amazon. Link of the item will be on the bottom of the description if interested or curious, or if you want to learn more about the product. Feel free to check them out. According to Amazon's listing, they are listed as professional grade lavalier microphones, and today I am really curious and excited to test them out and also record some samples to let you all hear what is this all about. This package comes with carrying case, so you can throw in all these microphones accessories inside and toss this in your bag, and everything will be so organized, which is a very thoughtful item that they throw into this purchase. So inside the carrying pouch, we have the Powerdewise lavalier microphone. Just feeling this microphone, the main quality of these cables and tips are really high quality. So it comes with a pretty long cord for these microphones. And if the cord is not long enough, they also include an extension cable, which is super long. That way your camera can be set far away and you can still actually plug this in and record and have good sound quality. They also include these adapters. So by default, the Powerdewise uses a TRRS plug, which means it's more for smartphones, tablets, stuff like that. But if you have a camcorder, DSLR, or any video camera that uses the TRS connector, this packet comes with the adapter, so kind of gets you all covered. And also comes with two additional microphones wind muffs. So the purpose of these muffs is to reduce wind noise, distortion from the wind blowing into the microphone. And as I was testing, they actually does pick up wind noise. So if you are worried about wind noise, it's better to buy a specific windscreen muff, which are furry types of muff, and those will actually reduce a lot of wind noise. And also comes with a warranty card. According to Powerdewise, it has a 1-year manufacturer warranty. So if there's any defect, they will guarantee this product to work. Just have to contact them directly. So the biggest question is, how are these microphone sounds like? And I am now going to plug them in and test them out. Okay, I just plugged in the Powerdewise microphone, and as you can see, as you can hear, it's working. So I'm going to do a little test to see how does it sound like. Okay, so I'm currently holding this around about 8 inches away from my mouth, and I am going to count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now I'm going to clip this on the... And now I'm going to clip this on the neck of my shirt and also count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And final test. And final test, I am going to clip this in the middle of my shirt to see the sound quality. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now I'm going to switch back to my original microphones. Now this is back from my original microphones. Please feel free to leave a comment below if you like my original microphones or you like these Powerdewise microphone. And also please stay tuned a little bit for the pros and cons of this product. We'll get into it very shortly. Meanwhile, if you like the video, please feel free to leave a comment below and hit the like button if you like the video, which helps and support the channel big time. Also, please hit the subscribe button and bell notification if you wanted to stay tuned for any future videos. And last, if you like the video, please also feel free to share this video to families and friends, which I am very greatly appreciate for spreading the word out. Now for the pros and cons of these Powerdewise microphone. Let's start with the pros first. So the pros of these microphones, they pick up great loud clear volume. And another pros of these microphones, they have great build quality. It's like everything from the wires to the connectors to the adapters, it really feels premium. So I really like the quality of the build quality of these microphones. And at last, the pros of these microphones, I really like it comes with all these different types of adapters and extension, which is really very thoughtful total package deal. Now let's talk about the cons of these microphones. Well, since everything of the build quality to the sound quality is very good, if I have to nitpick about these microphones, I would have to say it's not really ideal for singing. If you use this microphone for singing, especially when you sing it to a certain loud volume, there will be distortions for these microphones. So if you plan to use these mic for singing, I do not suggest them. So for general purposes, these microphones are excellent and get the job done for sure. Please feel free to leave a comment below and hit the like button, which helps support the channel big time. And also please hit the subscribe button and bell notification if you want to be notified for any future videos that I upload. If you like the video, please feel free to share this video to families and friends, which I very greatly appreciate. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Links on the bottom description. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. So how did I improve the video sound quality? Stay tuned to see what I used to improve the video sound quality right after this. They are Amazon's best-selling lavalier microphones. And please hit the subscribe button. Also please hit the subscribe button and please also hit the please hit the subscribe button and bell notification if you want to